Happy Sunday, everyone. Welcome to another weekly reset, a homemaking vlog. Thank you so much for joining with me. I hope you've had an amazing week, and I hope this video inspires you to get some things done to make your life a little bit easier going forward. So we're starting with pancakes as per usual, and I conned hubby into making them for us. He did such a good job, such a good teamwork that we make. So while he's doing the pancakes, I was able to get some other things done. Our fridge is a mess. It needs a massive clean out, which is what I'm doing today, and just pulling everything out there and sorting it into prep for some meals moving forward, and doing a little bit of a stock count so I can work out how much food that we have and how long things are going to take us to use up, and just get organized. I find that when the fridge is very organized with people to be able to just grab food, they eat a little bit better and healthier and more often, which is naturally the case. But I find that also visually, I must admit, it just looks a little bit better when it's neat, tidy and organized. So I've pulled everything out and I just gave everything a bit of a wipe down. It wasn't too messy this time. I will do another deep clean of the fridge probably next month. Just for right now, I was a little bit pressed for time trying to get everything done, and just putting things back into the fridge in a general organized area. Sharing a little bit of the food prep with you. I will put this together in a separate video because it's part of the bigger plan, as always, and I want to take you on the journey with me with what I'm planning on doing for this month with working out food for our family. putting everything back in the fridge that needs to go, and everything else went into the freezer, but I prepped it all so it's easier when meal prep and planning comes. The fridge looks so much more tidy and organized, so I absolutely love it. What do they say? A tidy mind, a tidy life? I don't know. Obviously not here. And of course, the washing. What would be a weekend without washing? And this weekend is a whole pile of towels with some tea towels and some face washes and some other bits and pieces. So last weekend was towels, which we're going to be folding up coming soon. And this week is the next set of towels. I have saved last weekend's washing and this footage as well, even though I've cut it up just to make it a bit quicker in the vlog, but I have saved the full lengths of them, and I can put them together because I know people like to clean along with me, so I might put together another laundry clean with me, and it will be putting the laundry in the washing machine and then hanging it out, and then me sitting here folding this, because also then I will have the video of the next lot of washing that I've just hung out to fold and put away. I think that putting the towels away in the cupboard would have to be one of my most favourite things to do, because they're all nicely folded and they just fit in there perfectly. So when things work, I'm really happy. I decided to do the hard-boiled eggs this week because we haven't had any for weeks and my son really enjoys them. So just 10 minutes on the stove and I can usually get something else in while that is cooking, and then I just dunked them in cold water. I was really happy that the shells came off really easily this time, except for the second to last one. The whole thing just fell apart. So I ate it because, quality control. But I'm looking forward to doing like a Caesar salad with some egg in it coming up. I know that Caesar salad usually has egg in it, but I don't make it that way. So I'm looking forward to trying something different. I also made some homemade burger patties for hubby because we'd run out from the freezer, and I'm trying to do everything, make it from scratch, and just try and learn some skills as I go along. So everything is a bit of a trial and practice. We had a whole lot of apples in the fridge that I cleaned out, so of course I made an apple crumble for the family, and then I made like an apple puree thing because I accidentally let some of the apples on the bottom cook for too long and the top ones didn't cook as well, so I kind of mushed it all down a little bit to try and make it a little bit more consistency. But Kira really enjoyed it. She went through it really quickly within a couple of days, so that's good. Getting ready for bed, and this is a self-care luxury for me. I absolutely love it. It's been a long but very productive day. Thank you so much for being with me today. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.